Let us do this. Arithmetic progressions of class 10, exercise 5.2, remaining problems from 17 to somewhere 20. Find 20th term from the last term of AP 3, 8, 13 to 53. We should count 20 from back to this side. So let us write this AP left side right. That means 253 is the first term. We are rewriting the AP in opposite way. Opposite way, and difference is 5. The next term will be 248. Next term will be 243. 8 minus 3 is 5. Difference is 5. This is the arithmetic progression when it is written left side right. So we want to find out 20th term in this. That is A plus 19 times D. We want this. A is 253 plus 19 times D is minus 5. That is 253 minus 95, which is equal to 258. This is the answer. The sum of 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24. So sum of 4th term and 8th given. Sum of 4th term and 8th term. 4th term is A plus 3D. Plus 8th term is A plus 7D. Sum of this is 24. That's given. Sum of 6th term, 10th term is 44. A plus 5D is 6th term. Plus A plus 9D is 10th term. If you add, you get 44. That means 2A plus 3D equal to 24. And 2A plus 14D is 44. 11D equal to 20. A plus 5D, A plus 9D, 44. Is it correct? A plus 9D, this is 10D. Oh, okay. 2A plus 10D. 10D. 2A plus 10D is 24. 2A plus 14D is. So subtract this from this. You get 2A gets cancelled. We go up a bit. There is no space. This goes. And 4D becomes equal to 20 and D is 5. When D is 5, 2A plus 10D is 24 and D is 5. 2A plus 50 is 24 and 2A is 26 minus A is 13. So your AP will be start with minus 13. Minus 13 plus 5, 8, minus 8, plus 5, minus 3, plus 5, 2, 7, etc. etc. This is the AP. This is the answer. Subbarao started work in 1995 with the Subbarao. Big businessman, okay? Crores of rupees, yes. Subbarao started work in 1995 at annual salary of 5,000. 5,000. Only 5,000? What? And received an increment of 200 per year. Wow. In which year did his income reach 7,000? Our A is given as 5,000. Our B is given as in the shape of increment 200. And our we should find out N. And our AN is 7,000. So 7,000 equal to A plus 5,000 plus N minus 1 times D 200. This is plus. This is the formula. Okay. So this is 2,000. 5,000 if you bring to the side, 2,000 is N minus 1. N minus 1 into 200. 200 is 10. N minus 1 is 10. And N equal to 11. This is the answer. In 11 years his income becomes 7,000. That means he is a janitor in some company. Ramkali saved ₹5 in the first week of year, then increased her weekly savings by ₹175. If in nth week her weekly savings become 20.75, find N. Here AN is 20.75 given. And N, we should find out. A is 5 first month, and D is ₹1.75. Okay. So our AN is A plus N minus 1 times D. This is a beautiful formula. So 20.75 equal to 5 plus N minus 1 times 1.75. So 5 is 15.75 equal to this implies 5 is taken to this side. 15.75 is N minus 1 times 1.75. That implies N minus 1 equal to 15.75 by 1.75 equal to 9. N equal to 10. This is the answer. Yeah, we have done every problem. This 20th is the last problem in this. So, for the trouble I'm undertaking to educate you, you can just consider subscribing me. Thank you for watching.